Look, nothing up there. Look, there's nothing up there. I saw the squirrel that I wanted to keep for a pet dog.
Gonna keep the squirrel for a pet?
Yeah.
Gonna climb up the tree to get him?
Yeah. But you would help me lift up me so I can keep
Lift up
it.
you so you can keep it, so you can get him?
Yeah, you would just give me a hand to get up here and lift me up.
Oh, what were you doing before? You were wedging yourself between the two sides? Do that. Sticking your feet back here. Yeah.
I was
Yep,
doing
go.
this.
Yep. Keep doing that. That looks cool, man.
Lift me up.
That's a long ways up.
Lift me up to lift me up.